English Beginner Club.
Hey, are you okay?
No, I suddenly got a headache
When did it start?
just a few minutes ago.
Is the pain strong?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Did you eat anything today?
No, I skipped breakfast.
Maybe that's why.
Maybe, but it feels different.
Do you feel dizzy?
A little bit, yes.
Did you drink enough water?
I don't think so.
You should sit down for a moment.
Okay, that might help.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
If it gets worse, we should go to the hospital.
Yes, let's go if the pain doesn't stop.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I need to see a doctor. I have a bad headache.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had it?
It started suddenly, about an hour ago.
Is the pain getting worse?
Yes, it keeps getting stronger.
Did you take any medicine?
No, not yet. I was scared to take anything.
Don't worry, the doctor will check you soon.
Thank you. I'm just feeling a little nervous.
It's okay. Headaches can happen for many reasons.
My vision feels a little blurry, too.
I understand. I'll mark this as urgent.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Please sit down for a moment.
I hope the doctor comes soon.
He's on his way. Stay calm.
I'm trying, but the pain is scary.
You're not alone. We're here to help.
Thank you. I feel a little better hearing that.
Are you feeling any better now?
A little, but the headache is still strong.
Don't worry, the doctor will see you soon.
I hope so. Waiting makes me more nervous.
I'm right here with you. Don't stress.
Thanks, Rena. It helps when you talk to me.
Try to breathe slowly. It might calm you down.
Okay, I think it's helping.
Good. Just focus on me until the doctor calls your name.
I will. Thank you for staying with me.
Sir, your turn.
Please fill out this form for your registration.
Okay, I'll try. My head still hurts.
Take your time. Start with your full name.
All right, I'm writing it now.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, that would be great.
Next, write your age. Good. Now, fill in your address.
I'm trying. My hand is shaking.
Okay, that's fine. Now, your phone number.
I can write that part.
Great. Now, describe your problem.
I should write sudden, strong headache, right?
Yes, that's correct. Finally, sign at the bottom.
Okay, done.
Perfect. You're registered now. Please wait for the doctor.
Sir, your turn.
Please sit down. I'll check your heartbeat.
Okay, doctor.
Take a deep breath in. And now breathe out. Good. Does your chest hurt at all?
No, just my head.
When did the headache start?
About an hour ago.
Was it sudden or slow?
Very sudden.
Did you skip any meals today?
Yes, I skipped breakfast.
That can cause headaches sometimes.
I didn't drink much water either.
Dehydration can make it worse.
I feel a bit dizzy too.
Have you slept well recently?
Not really.
Okay. I'm checking your pulse now.
Is everything all right?
Your pulse is slightly weak, but not dangerous.
That's a relief.
I'll also check your eyes. Follow my finger.
All right.
Good. Your responses are normal.
Then why does it hurt so much?
Because your body is tired and low on fluids.
Oh, that makes sense.
Don't worry, you'll feel better after treatment.
Thank you, doctor.
I will write your prescription now. Take this and go to room number 2.
The doctor sent you here for treatment.
Yes, but what kind of treatment?
You need a small injection to help your headache.
Injection? In my hand?
Yes, just a quick one.
No, I don't like injections.
Don't worry, it won't hurt much.
I'm still scared.
I understand. Many people are.
Can I take medicine instead?
The injection will work faster.
But my hand will hurt.
Only for 1 second.
I don't know if I can do it.
Take a deep breath and relax.
I'm trying.
Look away if it helps.
Will it really be quick?
Very quick, I promise.
Okay. Okay, just do it fast.
Good. Ready?
Yes, I think so.
Done.
Already?
Yes. See? You were brave.
Oh, that wasn't so bad.
Now rest for a few minutes. You'll feel better soon. Hello, your treatment bill is ready.
Okay, how much is it?
The total is 1,200 rupees.
All right. Can I pay by cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let me check. Okay, the amount is correct.
Do I get a receipt?
Yes, here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.